Hey kids, right here. Today I have all these Lego sets. I never film all these Lego sets
And I'm gonna help him
because I never built anything from a.
He's already built these, but they're empty, as you guys could see. But his Lego sets, we're gonna show at the end. They're over there. But we're gonna show you guys again.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's just get started with the video. Hold on, let me just put the camera right. And there you go.
So
I'll go with the first one, but you're gonna say where they're from. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So this one is from
Christmas.
This one right here is from Christmas. This is called Junior's A Shark Attack. Easy to build.
Ninjago.
Ninjago. Next one.
I got
This is from
my birthday.
his birthday. Okay. His birthday. Sit back. And this Lego set is called Anakin's Jedi Starfighter. You can see. Okay. Next one is the Master of Spinjitzu, Zane.
I got this from Alex.
So shout out to you, Alex. And then this one is a Spinjitzu Kai. You can see.
Got it way back from Christmas.
I'm putting them on full right now. Okay, this one is from
Amazon.com.
Amazon. So you bought it?
Yes.
Okay, this is called the Golden Dragon, as you guys can see. And the wait, hold on. Oh, there. Okay, next one is it is called Spider-Man's Car Chase, and this one is from
Juniors.
From where?
Way back in it's from way back in 2018.
I know, but where'd you get it from?
The Lego store for my birthday.
Oh yeah, I forgot. That was 2019.
Yeah,
Okay.
but they still have it.
Okay. Next one
Is
is a Wing vs. TIE Silence Microfighters.
I got this from Macy's for my money.
Yeah, let's just see that.
I got this from my birthday.
This one is called General Grievous Combat Speeder. Let's see. This one is called Superheroes Outrider Dropship Attack. It's a little mini one. That's cool. This one is Spinjitzu Zane.
I got this way back from Christmas.
This one is called.
No, I know. No, you just already showed it. You already showed it.
Tell me about it.
You already showed this one.
I haven't. Oh my god. We're just putting them on for right now. Okay.
You're getting spoiled.
This one
by
is Destiny's Wing.
I got this way back from Christmas.
Yeah. Next one is the Lego Movie 2, which I like this movie. It is Battle Ready Batman TM Metal Gear. I like the Lego Movie 2 because it's interesting, cool.
I got this way back from Mexico. Yes, I
Oh
did.
yeah, Emmett and Benny's Build and Fix Rush.
This is another junior set.
4 plus, Jaden. You're not 4 years old. You're 11. Okay.
Yeah, but I got this way back from a few months ago.
Okay. The next one is the Lego Movie 2, Emmett's Builder Box.
I got this way back from 2018 from Christmas. When I go Christmas shopping.
This one is Emmett's Tricycle?
Or tricycle because it's not really a tricycle. I got this from a few months ago.
This one is Naboo Starfighter.
I got this
This
from
one is
the
so
Lego store.
tiny. Tiny.
I got this from the Lego store.
Oh, this one. Well, sorry. This one is Piranha Attack.
No, here, no, it says Piranha Attack
Oh, Piranha Attack. Where did you get this one from?
from Christmas.
Okay. The next one is First Order Heavy Scout Walker.
I got this way back from Christmas.
Okay, next one is the Drone Gunship. Where'd you get this one at?
I got this from my dad because he felt guilty because he didn't give me a birthday present. But he already did. Also,
Okay.
this one is from him too.
The ATAP Walker. This one is from my dad. So shout out to you, Dad.
Yeah, I got this for my birthday.
Yeah.
Ow.
Oh, and this one. Let's do this one until the end. This one is a Stormbringer. Where'd you get
I
this
got
one?
this way back from Christmas.
And the last but not least, the big, huge box. Where'd you get this one at?
Way back from Christmas 2018.
Batman Space Shuttle. Okay, guys, so that is the end of the video.
Oh yeah, you forgot something else.
What is it?
The Legos I have.
Oh, yeah.
Here, move on the screen, please.
I got it. Okay, ready. Okay, so where do you want me to show them to?
Here first.
Okay.
Do you see these pumpkins right there?
Uh-huh.
This is where this is where I'm gonna put the Lego Scooby-Doo sets, and this is where I put my Lego Star Wars set, where I got way back from from my birthday.
And let's check out this. This kind of looks good. And now, the big surprise. Wait, I'm gonna show them that. Is all this. He paid for his money. And where's your wallet? I think it's in here. I don't know, somewhere. But he has a lot of money. He's saving it for some people. And
this is my hero's home. Right there.
oh
Oh yeah, I forgot something else.
What?
Rex's Stream Off-Roader.
Oh yeah, Rex's Streamer Water. Okay, where'd you get this one from?
I got it way back from 2008. I got this way back from, I went to the Target.
Okay.
Well, anyways, kids.
Goodbye.